What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support our channel. Here I got Junior Smurf with me, and today we're going to be taking a look at
Diamond Protech glass coating kit.
There we go. Shout out to Tyler and all the people over at Diamond Protech. They sent us this glass kit so we can test it out. I've got this 400Z in the background ready for a glass coating, and I'm super stoked to test out this Diamond Protech glass coating. Junior Smurf and I are going to open the box and see what comes in it. But let's talk a little bit about why a glass coating is beneficial. We don't get much rain out here where we're at here in Northern California, but if you're in a state it's constantly raining, snowing, all that kind of stuff, it is so nice to have a coating on your windshield. You don't need to use your wipers as much. Bugs, guts, all that kind of stuff cleans off the windshield easily, and visibility is drastically increased. And we've had some thunderstorms here to the point where it was raining so hard, but having that water just bead right off the window, it's almost like it's kind of a safety feature. I mean, it really does improve your visibility in heavy rainstorms. If you're next to a semi and they splash up a whole bunch of water on your window, you're not like, oh my God, I can't see, you know, you're in a thunderstorm. So having a good glass coating is actually very beneficial, especially, like I said, to those people that are in high rain, sleet, snow, all that kind of stuff. It can really benefit you. And I've got glass coatings on 3 of my vehicles right now, and it's amazing. In the rain, the clarity is amazing. And you know, at my shop, when I get in customers' cars and it's raining, I'm driving it and it's just smearing all over the window, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm spoiled. You know, you almost kind of get used to having the coating. So glass coatings are crucial. So I'm looking forward. I've never tried Diamond Protech glass coating, but shout out to my brother Brian with Fab Automotive Detailing. He absolutely loves his diamond glass, and he said, you got to try it. So once again, shout out to the guys over at Diamond Protech. Tyler, for sending this out to me. I'm sorry it's taken so long, but life is life, and man, and I just didn't have time. But I could not think of a more perfect time to test this out. So let's unbox it. Show them the box. Get a little closer to the camera. Yep, show it up. Box is always on point. Presentation. Now let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got inside. First things first, we got a nice little applicator. There we go. What's next? Gloves. I'm pretty sure they give you like a medium and a large, which is nice. They give you some gloves. What's next? The diamond glass. Thank you, Junior Smurf. This is the diamond glass, the coating. What else we got? Is it 1 or 2? Just 1?
Yeah.
They give you a nice low nap towel. All right, what's next? All right, we got the diamond glass prep. Here we go. So let's read a little bit about. Let me see the back of that box. All right, so I'm gonna read a little bit on here. It's scratch resistant, corrosion and oxidation resistant, enhanced water beading, oilophobic and dirt repelling, tree sap and bird droppings resistant, chemical resistant, diamond armored. So like I said, it's going to resist all that crap that builds up on your windshield, especially let's say you're driving across country for some reason. You don't want bugs, and they be some big bugs, let me tell you. Them bugs hit, splat. You don't want to hit your windshield wipers and all of a sudden it's just smearing all over the, yeah. You want something to protect it. And yeah, so I'm excited. I'm excited to try this. So we've got the coating, we got the prep. Glass prep. Work out of direct sunlight on cooled glass. Spray onto the glass surface, the wipe surface clean with the microfiber towel. So this is basically their prep to prep the glass for the coating. Now I've already polished all the glass on this thing, so it's ready for a prep and a coating. I've already done that. We've got the coating here. Let's just do a quick little read on the back. Instructions. Use Diamond Glass Prep to treat windshield and windows. Okay. Shake Diamond Glass well for 15 seconds. Apply 15 drops to an applicator. Proceed to apply to entire surface in a crosshatch fashion. All right. Apply more drops if necessary. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. And then polish off excessive micro towel. The car is ready to drive away. Recommended yield 3 to 5 windshields per bottle. Okay. Well, I'm going to do all the glass. I'm not just going to do the windshield. I'm going to do all the glass. And it says 12-month hydrophobic. So 1 year. You're going to get 1 year out of this. Effortless single layer application. Smooth finish. All right. So, I mean, it's very simple. It's almost like a ceramic coating. You just ceramic coating for the glass. So, yeah. I'm going to get set up over here. We're getting ready to apply. We're going to panel prep. Or not panel prep, but paint. Glass prep. And then apply the coating. And then we'll wait 10 to 15 minutes, I guess, and see how this stuff does. So let's get to it. All right, everybody. I got the 400Z ready to coat all the glass. I just got done ceramic coating this thing. I'm ready to do the glass. You guys will probably see the ceramic coating video before this, but that's all right. So first things first, we've got the diamond glass prep. Now this is going to basically prep the glass and get it ready for the coating. Make sure there's no anything, like I said, I've already polished the glass. This is a crucial step to make sure there's nothing in the way of that coating bonding to that glass. So I'm going to spray it into the towel and wipe it down because I just coated the car. I don't want any overspray getting on it. So I'm going to spray it in the towel over here. And then I'm going to wipe the glass. Because I don't want any overspray to get on the paint and kind of compromise the coating I just did. So we'll wipe her down. It's almost, you know, every company has their panel prep or anything like that. I assume that this is the same prep that they have for their Diamond Body 36, all their coatings, which I love. I have DB36 on my Civic, topped with quick body, and it looks amazing. So thrilled. I'm going to go ahead and spray it in my towel one more time. Away from the car. I do not want it on the paint. Just kind of panel prep it a little bit. There we go. Make sure it's ready for the coating. And it says 10 to 15 minutes to wait. So I might coat the windshield. I might coat all the glass, shoot, and then come back and wipe it off when I'm done. So we've got diamond glass. What's really cool about, they got these little beads in the bottom that help kind of mix up the coating. So just kind of shake it up a little bit. You know, like the little ball bearings in the bottom of a spray paint can. Yeah, it helps kind of get everything mixed up and everything like that. So shake it up real good. We're going to pop this off, break the seal. There we go. We got our little applicator here. They said, I think it's a 19 to 20 drops. I mean, I'm not keeping count, but we're going to prime it with a good amount. There we go. And we're just going to apply it to the windshield. I mean, I'm going to do an X like I normally do, right in the center. And then just come back and... Oh, man. My first initial... It's a little like it looks weird. I don't know. It's already like kind of sweating. I don't know if that makes sense, but we'll see. We'll see how this works. Apply it like a coating. It's one layer, so you don't got to do multiple layers. right, and then it says wait 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to put a few more drops on. Do this passenger side here. As soon as, like, normally I do like an X when I do paint. I tried that and it almost overlaps that X. So maybe I'll try circles on this side. See if it makes a difference, but don't think it will. The diamond glass, like I said, my buddy Brian, Fab Automotive. For those of you guys that follow my channel, you know my brother Brian. He loves his Diamond Protech. And like I said, I have it on my Civic, and I ain't mad at all. The Civic looks killer. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see this. Try to bring you in, but it almost disappears. Check this out. It almost disappears. There's like nothing there. I think I remember when Fab did his video, he was like, it almost looks like nothing's there. So that's extremely weird. And it says to wait 10 to 15 minutes. I don't know how I feel about that. So before I do all the other glass, I'll wait 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to set a timer and then come back and then we'll wipe off. All right, everybody. Well, I set my timer for 10 minutes and it looks like there's nothing on this glass. So I'm just going to wipe it off, I guess. I don't know what I'm wiping off, but it is a little slick. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. Okay. I don't know if it's supposed to be slick, but we'll find out. We'll find out. And like I said, I just got done ceramic coating this car, and I'll get it back in 2 weeks for the first wash. So if you guys want to see what the hydrophobics look like on the glass, just subscribe. Stay tuned because I'll be doing a little first wash video on this thing. There's nothing on the glass. It's so crazy. As you guys saw before, it was like there was nothing on the glass. So weird. So weird. But we shall see. We shall see. I mean, that's effortless, honestly. There's nothing there. I feel like I'm wiping nothing off. That's wild. Inside of the glass needs to be cleaned next. I know a guy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, guys. It doesn't get any easier than that. If I'm being completely honest. I'm gonna coat the rest of the glass. All right, everybody. Smurf, final thoughts. Diamond Protech diamond glass. Let's talk about it. Project Heritage, glass is all coated. It was very straightforward. Very, very straightforward diamond glass. Now it doesn't apply like a normal ceramic coating. It almost like beads up automatically. It almost seems a little watery. It's a little different to me. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's not like a thick gel type, kind of like olive oil, like a ceramic coating. But I set a 10-minute timer. It says 10 to 15 minutes. I think I exceeded the time just a little. I set 10 minutes. I probably could have waited 5. I came back and it almost just self-level dissipates. There really wasn't nothing to buff off. But I think I left it too long because on the back, when I did the back glass and I put 10 minutes, I came back and it almost like it had like a dry streak. Not a problem. I just reapplied the coating right away and then just buffed it all off and it was perfect. I said, I probably waited 10 minutes. I probably could have waited 5 and it probably would have been probably would have been okay. So, you know, take that into consideration. It says 10 to 15, but it was pretty warm here yesterday. So that window is going to drop down a little bit. So I should have known better, but I wanted to just try 10 minutes and see if that would work. So if it's warm where you're at, knock that time down just a little bit. But the glass looks incredible. I mean, the glass looks great. It's very easy, very, very easy to buff off if you don't wait 10 minutes and let it dry, basically. On the windshield, there was almost nothing to wipe off. And I know the windshield's a different glass than the windows in the back, so that might have something to do with it because I'm pretty sure you can put this on all glass. I don't know if it's just windshield specific, but it's super easy and super easy. And look how much left. I mean, I can do so many glasses, so many cars with this bottle. I know Fab loves it, so if you guys want to see it in action, this will be back in probably 2 weeks for its first initial bath. I'll give it a good wash, make sure everything's performing up to my standards. So if you want to see the diamond glass, this thing will be back on the channel soon. So make sure you subscribe. And that's pretty much it. And I want to say thank you to Tyler and the whole Diamond Protech crew. They sent this to me a while ago, and I've just been slacking. And I really appreciate you guys. You know, they message me on Instagram and stuff, and you know, they know I got a lot going on in life, and they're very, very appreciative, and they're grateful. They're not, you know, pushing for videos or anything like that. So I appreciate you guys over at Diamond Protech. So far, loving the products. I've got DV36 and Quick Body on my Civic, and it's doing fantastic. Shout out to my buddy Fab, who turned me on to Diamond Protech. Yeah, shout out to all you guys that take out the time out of your day to watch and support the channel. Without you guys, I'm nothing. So, yeah, I know I haven't been very active lately, guys, but I know my faithful still watch my videos, so I appreciate that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, just drop it down in the comments. You know, I'll reply to you. I appreciate all you guys. It's Memorial Day today, so have a great rest of your day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. I'm gonna go barbecue. I'll catch y'all in the next video. All right, everybody. I've got Project Heritage right here. I did the Diamond Protech diamond glass on the glass of this thing, and it's been a few weeks. This is the first wash, so we're gonna check out some hydrophobic properties and how the diamond glass is performing on the glass, and I'm super excited. I can already see it's repelling the crap out of the soap. So we're going to go in for the initial rinse. I got my cameraman, Paul, the owner of the Z, behind the camera. And we're going to see how this glass coating is holding up on the glass. So let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Good look at that. Extremely fast. I mean, it doesn't even want to stay on the glass. If you get a close up, look at how tight those beads are. Look at how. Oh yeah, I can watch that all day. It's looking good. Now I did coat all the glass on this, so I'm just gonna go around and kind of rinse the glass, see how it's looking. Rear glass is looking absolutely phenomenal. I mean, look at that water just running off. That right there is what we call a win right there.